Hi, welcome back to JSR DevOps with Ratna. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to use parallel pipeline in Jenkins. First of all, what is pipeline and what is parallel pipeline? The pipeline is a series of steps that automate software delivery like building, testing and deploying code. In Jenkins, steps usually run sequentially one after another. Now, parallel pipeline. What is parallel pipeline? A parallel pipeline is a way to run multiple tasks at the same time instead of one after another. This helps speed up the overall process and save time. Simple analogy: imagine three people working together. If they wait for each other to finish before starting, it takes longer. If they all work at the same time, the job gets done faster. That's how parallel pipeline works. Teamwork in action. Speeding up CI/CD with parallel stages. By default, Jenkins runs pipeline steps sequentially one after another. This works fine, but it can slow things down when tasks do not depend on each other. What if we have independent tasks like running tests on different platforms, compiling separate modules, or deploying to multiple environments? That's where parallel pipelines shine. They allow Jenkins to run multiple stages at the same time, dramatically reduce build time and improving efficiency. Results: faster feedback and better resource usage and smoother CI/CD workflows. Where we can use parallel pipeline. Parallel pipelines are perfect when tasks are independent and can run at the same time. Common use cases including running tests across different environments. This is the example: Node.js version operating system browsers, building front-end and back-end simultaneously, speed up full stack development workflows, and running linters, security scans and code quality checks. This is the example. This can run in parallel without blocking each other. Packaging or deploying to multiple platforms. Benefit: saving times, improve efficiency and gives faster feedback during CI/CD. These are the common issues while running Jenkins parallel stages. Requires more executive agents. Parallel stages need to run at the same time. Jenkins need to enough executors to support that. If you do not have enough, some stages will just wait, defeating the purpose. Shared resource conflicts. If multiple stages access the same file, database or workspace, they might interfere with each other. You will need to use logs or manage concurrency carefully. Complex logs from parallel stages can be harder to read and debug. Jenkins keep them separate, but if something goes wrong, tracing issues across parallel tasks can be tricky. Error handling is more complex, harder to maintain. A simple pipeline is easy to understand. Adding parallel logic, especially in nested parallel stages, can make your pipeline harder for new team members to read and maintain. Now I will show you what is the advantage of parallel stage pipeline. So here I will go to the Jenkins dashboard and click on new and give the name of job is parallel job and select pipeline. Click OK. Here you can choose sample job like hello world. Here I take some stages. Like for 4 stages. I take each stage like checkout and build, test, deploy. So this is the series pipeline. So if you run this pipeline, step by step execute and it takes time. After run the job, build now. So to complete the stages, it will take little bit time. If you go and check here, console output, so it will execute step by step. So it will execute the step by step. So if you go to the parallel pipeline job, so here in the job, this is the sequential job. So it takes the time is 16 seconds. So now I will use parallel pipeline. So go to the configure, and so this is the syntax of parallel pipeline. So I will give the stages only for, so see here, if you go here and parallel pipeline, so you have to mention here stage and give the parallel stage, stage 1 and stage 2, stage 4. Here I mention parallel pipeline, so you have to mention stages. Here checkout, and here stage. Under the stage you have to mention build and test parallel. So I'll give the parallel block. So in this block you have to mention stage build and stage test. So I mention here like this. So only deploy, I left that one, and in the parallel pipeline I mentioned two stages like build and test only. So now you can run. Now see the difference, how much time it takes to complete the, see here it takes sequential pipeline, it takes 16 seconds, and after execution parallel pipeline it took only 4.5 seconds. So this is the usage of parallel pipeline. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please keep in comment section. Thanks for watching.